Extensive computer files with the most sensitive details involving children diagnosed with autism have been compiled using personal information collected from psychiatrists and psychologists, as well as personal documents such as school report cards. The files relate to at least 4 dozen children whose parents took legal actions to secure appropriate education services. The database came to light following a protected disclosure made by a civil servant at the Department of Health.
There was no way, once I saw a piece of correspondence from the department saying, we're asking information from you about a child, but we're not going to ask for consent to get it. There was no way I was ever going to let that lie.
According to the Department of Health template letters circulated to medical professionals and seen by RTÉ Investigates, the department describes the cases as dormant and it requests that parents are not informed.
Where a case is dormant, it should be dormant. But what the plaintiffs didn't understand and were not informed of was that the other side continued effectively to work on the case in terms of gathering information and did that in a deliberately surreptitious way.
In a statement to RTÉ Investigates, the Department of Health said the sharing of information in such circumstances was normal practice when state agencies were involved in litigation together. It said it had commissioned an expert senior counsel review to examine the issue and found its practices to be entirely lawful, proper and appropriate. And it said there was nothing in the report which required the department to change its approach.
People will be worried, and I think it's really incumbent on the state to come out and say this simply will not happen again. If we are gathering information, it will be legitimate information, it will be proportionate.
Reacting today, Inclusion Ireland said reports of such data sharing constituted a gross breach of trust for families and autistic children. It said it is highly disturbing to think that sensitive information is being collated in this manner. Conor Ryan, RTÉ News.